Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can show the keyframe grabs in CapCut PC. So if you are usually use keyframes on your edit, but you cannot find the grabs on the CapCut PC because on CapCut mobile you can easily find it on the top of your timeline, and here on the timeline there is no grab seen in this menu here in this toolbar. So here I'm going to show you. First I'm going to add keyframes in my edits right here. Okay, I'm going to add two keyframes like this, for example, and I'm going to move the logo like this so that there will be these animations, and I want to make the movement smoother, so I'm going to just show the grab. So just right click on this overlay, and there will be this option to show the keyframe animation. So click on this, and this is the keyframe animation. So I'm going to go to the top. Okay, just click on this drop down. Here you can adjust the curve of the animation. Here you can do auto curve, linear, and also the free curve. So just adjust it like this. You can adjust, this is for the scale. For example, I'm going to add another keyframe and I'm going to lower it, and I'm going to use the free curve. And to hide it, you can just click on this to hide the keyframe grabs again. So that's all from me. That's how you can show the keyframe grabs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.